Welcome to the analysis room. What a freaking game. That was fun, man. When he's on, he's on. Sometimes he plays the first round and loses to a 1200 player and then forfeits and leaves. Like you never know what's going on with Disguised Teriyaki, man. He is our mysterious superhero. We got to beat him for the cash, folks. Disguised Teriyaki. He's going to castle long. Threatening. Queen takes bishop. Pawn takes knight. Or don't worry about any of it right now. And develop your pieces in castle. Just develop. Yeah, it's a move. It's a move, guys. You know what he did, guys? He played a chess move. I'm doing this. Right? Bishop back probably just to make a threat. Does nothing. Okay, good. He develops, guys. He develops. That's actually a cool move. I don't like it. I don't like it, and I'll tell you why. Because I wanted to move the knight, guys. And I want to play this, but I can't because now the knight's not protected. But okay. I literally feel like he's going easy on me, guys. I'm not even kidding. Look. He hasn't moved his knight yet. Look at his other knight. You know what I'm saying? I just got to move forward, guys. Let's just chill out for a second. What if we bring a rook opposing his queen? What if we bring the last piece, guys? This is an idea, but doesn't work because I played this move. See what I'm saying? He could be having a little bit of stuff, but guys, my pieces are developed, and all these squares should help me. Whoa. Yeah, see, now he's like, now he has to develop, guys. He has to develop. This threatens the bishop and a fork. That's probably the move. He wants to push or take and then push. This, I think, is slow. This could be the move, guys. This could be the move. It could be. I guess we're just going to do this. There's a better move. Weak squares. This square. I see it, guys. I don't know how I'm landing on it, though. This square is weak. I think maybe I shouldn't push pawns in front of my king, guys. I think I shouldn't push pawns in front of my king. This is a defender. Do we just... It's just too slow, guys. It doesn't do anything. Like I said, this could be the move. I'm doing it. Oh, c5. Yeah, it's what I've done, man. That's what I did. There are ideas of d6 as well as c6. c6, though, he can just do this. This pawn's protected, guys. Oh, no, it's not, because it checked. Yeah, and that could be mating. So that this could maybe not work for him. This is a good move. I'm glad I found it, man. I don't know if it wins. I gotta not look at chat though. This is a nasty threat, guys. He could be in a lot of trouble here, guys. Bishop back might be his move. Just push. I think he's crushed, guys. We'll see, guys. This is just such a nasty threat. He's using his time, guys. We're catching up on time. We have to be in the winning position by 1 minute, guys. We cannot lose on time. Bishop takes. Bishop takes. The queen has to move. We push. Oh, man. He's really soaking this in, guys. He's finding his freaking move, man. He could offer a trade of knights. This file is opening, too. I'm so proud of this rook on c1. Really proud of the rook on e1, too, guys. Remember, we have this idea, too, if we need it. Now I'm just threatening bishop takes. That's my threat. I just saw a weird line, but my bishop made everything okay. The massively centralized bishop. Protected twice. Attacked no times. Yeah, there's some discoveries on it. Gotta watch. I have to keep an eye on this bishop, guys. When this move happens, if something takes and then, it could discover another attack on this piece. Like after maybe this move. He did this line in the center counter where they sack a pawn. And I just developed, man. I just developed. My queen actually is playing. My queen's playing, man. Sometimes your queen would be a little out of play over here. But his attack didn't happen fast enough. This can happen so fast. Takes, and like push, and just... And it still could happen, guys. It's a good player. He's gonna find the best move, guys. And I have to continue my attack. I have to do my breakthrough, and it's probably time. He played queen over. Yeah, that was probably the move, guys. If I play here, pawn takes. We could play bishop check because there's a fork on e5. See what I'm saying? If he plays pawn takes, I play bishop check. If the king comes up, we fork here. This has to be the move, and it's time to play it. Oh, wait. There's tactics here. Knight hits the queen and the bishop. He could come back. That's what he wants to do. He wants to come here and threaten squares, guys. Played c6, man. I played it because I don't want to lose this game on time. Right? Knight can help him because then he takes us with check. So knight takes, I think we... Oh, he went that way. Cool. Love it. Threatening this. Or this. What do you do? What do you do? I gotta watch the board, guys. Come on, man. Come on. You gotta move. You gotta move. You gotta move. I dropped it. He gave me that, guys. He had 9 seconds to 6, and he gave me a main 1. This is Disguised Teriyaki, man. Tell me he didn't give me that. Tell me he didn't give me that. Oh, this is the game we're gonna look at, guys. Woo! Oh my God. Okay, so what happened, guys? That was the last game of the tournament, the last game of the round too, huh? Disguised Teriyaki. Oh, Don McMahon played today, guys? I didn't even see him. Disguised Teriyaki 4 out of 5, but he gave it to me. I think he gave it to me, guys. Don McMahon with 4 out of 5, and me with 4 out of 5, and Davey Y2K with 4 out of 5. But tie breaks go Disguised Teriyaki first, Don McMahon second, me third, and Davey fourth. Wow. What a freaking game that was, folks. Oh my goodness. Welcome to the analysis room. What a freaking game. That was fun, man. I didn't play it right, guys. Teriyaki caught me in an early opening trap, did he? He's good. He's good, Don. He's good. He was panicking about his own clock and never looked at yours, I don't think, and that's the way it goes sometimes. But you were well in front. Well, I ended up dropping a piece. Well, you see the you guys can see the graph, right? The graph goes better, winning, right? Okay. I played 84.9, he played 67.5. I'm telling you, he played less than better moves the whole game, guys. That right there is it's not a good I don't believe. It's a good sacrifice. But for someone rated that's much higher than he is than me, he could totally do this. But he has to attack me though. Look at this. It goes right to summary, guys. It has no improvements for me. It's going to play the whole game. It's going to play the whole game, guys. Woo! Jomar! Welcome, Jomar. Guys, did you see that, guys? There are no brilliant moves. He played 1 blunder, 2 mistakes, 4 inaccuracies. Guys, I had 0 blunders, 0 mistakes, 0 inaccuracies. 3 book moves, 3 good moves, 12 excellent, 11 best. That's a good game. And you say 84.9%. You would think the accuracy would be higher, but 0 blunders, 0 mistakes, and 0 inaccuracies, guys. That's probably the longest game I've ever played that didn't have an inaccuracy. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so the graph's not going to help us. So we got to get to the old computer. And there's one other thing I want to check too. Do you remember which round that was, Dave Joyce? The knight takes bishop or messes pawns up. Remember that game? It likes c5 here. Okay, c5. What is someone like playing a game over in this? Yeah, because we're still observing something. Okay, c5 was good. It's still like c5, guys. Look at that, c5. c5 is best, like 3 moves in a row, guys. We can learn from this. Well, it's stockfish, though. Hey, bishop d4 was best. Well, I had... Yeah, I had to move it. c5 is best. I finally found c5, man. Okay, that was good. Knight takes d5 is best. He had knight d5, winning a pawn. Yeah, because, well, you could lose an exchange for a pawn or something. Knight d5. Bishop a6. No, now it's saying knight d5. Now it's saying knight d5. Rook d5. Bishop a6 and it's +8. Okay. c6 is best. c6 was a move, guys. Tom Proctor, that was a beautiful tournament. 950 stars. Tom Proctor, thank you, man. Yeah, I did, dude. Dude, this is why, I'm telling you. This takes it out of me, guys. I'm trying to freaking win these freaking games, man. Totally different than when we're playing. I mean, I'm trying to win when I'm streaming, guys, but I'm also trying to hang out with you guys. c6 is best. That was excellent. Knight e5, guys. Knight e5. Oh, it's because of this square, maybe.
Nice tournament.
Queen e6. And then bishop g4 wins the queen. What? Knight e5. Oh, I was looking at this move. How is this move so bad? Oh, well, because it's mate in 12, supposedly. But how the hell am I supposed to see that? How do I get in here? Oh, knight d5. Rook d5. Rook c7 check. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Whoa. King c7. Mate in 8. Queen c4 check. Getting the rook back if I want it. King d6. Or not. Or don't. Bishop takes g4. Mate in 6. Queen g4. Knight f7 check. Mate in 5 now. Why did I say mate in 6? Because it keeps finding ways to prolong it. You know what I'm saying? King d7. Queen d5 check. I could probably find the mate from here, guys. So let me see if there was another spot. Yeah, knight e5 was better. I looked at knight e5 too, guys. Bishop g7 is best. Okay. But I saw that. That was best now. Knight d5 is best. Bishop back. Oh, I had knight c7 check. Oh, is that what I played? Oh my god, I had knight... No, I saw this. But then what about queen takes? And then queen e6. And it's +11. Yeah, I saw this line, but I didn't like queen takes. But it was just okay. It was just okay. That was best. 8. 97. Whole time I'm trying to look like I want to get like my queen right here. I want it to teleport like a knight. Rook e6 was better, supposedly. Takes. I made a blunder here, I think. That was best. That was excellent, it said. Okay, it wasn't. Oh, no. I didn't make any blunders this game. Oh, queen c5 is best, trying to bring the knight in, I guess, and that's the blunder. So what does he play here? Queen a7. Just stop the mate, folks. Queen a7, king a7. Consolidate and just win up a piece